This video is going to be on how to set up a key input data field on a PSM. So I'm going to be showing that on a PC input module, but the setup is the same on the PSM or touch input for that matter. Basically, from the home page here, we're going to select core software, configuration and devices, also configuration and devices from there. I have the data fields PSM set up already, so I'm going to select that. I'm going to hit edit. I'm going to go to my monitoring points. So I'm going to have this for my supervisor. I want to collect who responded. So we're going to hit to add a data field. And we're going to call this responder. And then we want this to be on acknowledge. And our source type is going to be, so we want that key input. We want them to type it in. Not required means that they don't have to type anything in. When they respond, they can just clear the alarm out or acknowledge that alarm. Allow modification anytime means that they're allowed to change it at any time. I don't want any of those to be there. And then this is the value type. So it's going to be text or integer. So as text, on your hardware module, you'll get a keyboard that will come up what you can type into. If you set it up as numeric on the hardware, you'll just get a num screen to type in the numbers. Once you have that set up, so you can see that that'll show up there. You just hit our save and exit. I have it set up as, like I was saying, as a PC one, so we can see what it looks like. So we've got this supervisor. They're going to set that alarm. It's going to go out. They're going to acknowledge. It's going to ask them for their who the responder is. So it could be John Doe. Going to hit OK. On the screen, it's going to show you who that responder is. And then they're going to clear the race. That'll conclude this how-to on setting up that key input data field on a PSM. So we'll talk to you again.